I'm a monkey. Let's have a conference call with Mr. Apple. There they are, all the fruits and veggies. Hey Apple, what do you think of this video?
I hate it.
Why? 'Cause Orange says it's bad. I think it's bad. But then I met Mr. Kiwi. He had a completely different opinion. Kiwi hated it more. He thought it should be burned. I don't think that's true. But then I met a Napkin. Mr. Napkin was so nice to me. Mr. Napkin gave me a compliment about my shorts. He said my shorts were nice, and he had no comment about the video. Well, goodbye, every folks. I will see you tomorrow on another episode of Talking with Apples. Goodbye. Oh, or fruits or vegetables.